Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
17 years. For the periodical cicada, this will take 17 years. They will emerge in large numbers known as broods. Broods 2, V, X, 14, and 19 are found in Maryland. Brood X will emerge in Maryland in 2021.
Take our lead.
Larry Hogan's office said cicadas will likely appear in these counties: Allegheny, Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Carroll, Cecil, Frederick, Eastern Garrett, Harford, Howard, Montgomery, Prince George's, and Washington. Billions of 17-year cicadas will emerge. MD epicenter in 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.